Alright, so this time we'll be the other guys. You can have your face paint po sa lahat ng kids outside. Thank you. Ay, check one.
Dito na kayo sa Noel. Dito na siya sa Noel. Sa Noel. Kaya sa dulo na. Bocok na bocok ka.
Julan.
Bocok na bocok ka.
Julan.
Sino?
Julan.
Julan pa. Hindi sumama sila, ano? Sige na, okay na.
Okay lang.
Sige mo kay ano.
Okay na po yan. Hi, thank you. Thank you po.
Talagang powerful ah.
Macro-block. Wait.
Hello! Ay, kamusta? Laki mo ha? Wala kasi hello. Kasi diba tumupati? Ay, full force sila ano na. Full force, kaya ano.
Hi!
Hi!
Hello! So, sino na po dito yung bumati kay Hasan ng happy birthday? Taas ang kamay. So, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, mommy, good news. 10 lang po yung papakainin natin mamaya. Okay? Yes, makakatipid talaga tayo. So, okay na po pala tayo yung kain mamaya.
Hindi po.
Siyempre, hindi. But this time, here at McDonald's, we have our own way to greet the birthday boy, okay? So, when I said happy birthday po, ang isipin ko natin na malakas is yung name po ni Hasan. Alright, so sabi nga, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Alright, so isipin po natin yung sa Hasan. Again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Alright, so this time, kapag sinabi ko mo yung name ni Hasan, ang isipin ko natin na malakas is
Happy birthday!
ang lakas na ba? Happy birthday!
Hasan!
So, once again, the one of our birthday boy here at McDonald's, hindi sa malakas na palakpakan ulit dyan. Ayan, so sabi ni Ivana, bago tayo magkaroon ng toys, kailangan natin ng games, okay? How about sa mga adults, sino isang bayang lupa? Ayan, pasakay na rin po mamaya, okay? So to start the first game, I want to see all of the kids that go in the front within 5 seconds. Your timer starts to go. Alright, so listen, sabi ni Ivana, we need to forgive. I have a question. Do you know how to count? Yes, of course. Because later we're going to count 1 to 1 million. So, syempre, joke lang. Baka maginawa natin next time tayo matapos. So, this time, 1 times that po na ng po. Okay, saan out your partner na. Okay, everybody, let's go back to 1 big circle kids. Come on, this time, Ronald McDonald said again, we need to twist. Do you know how to jump? Okay, everybody jump. Jump, 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 jump. How about to shake your body? Shake your body, shake your body, shake your body, shake your body, and then very good. So, hindi na po gagawin yung matapat namin, okay? Ayan, so kalaban po siya. Joke lang. Hey, everybody, are you ready? Again, are you ready? Happy birthday, Hasan!
Happy birthday, Hasan!
Alright, everybody gets dance. Shake it, 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 jump, 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 jump. Shake it, jump, shake it, jump, shake it, shake it, shake it, jump. Look yourself into one. Good job. One. Alright, very good. Look yourself into three. Okay, so tayo dyan yung sample pa lang po ulit yan. Okay, so tapos po na tayo next game. Okay. So let's go back to one. Big circle, guys. Big circle. Big circle po. Everybody jump, 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 jump. Shake it, shake it, shake it, jump. Look yourself into two. Two. Alright, very good. Everybody jump. Kapag sa baka po lang kamay. Again, five. Okay, so let's go back to one. Big circle. Come on, big circle. Big circle. Alright, there we go, everybody. Jump, 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 jump.
Ay, sama siya. Sama ka.
Shake it, jump. Shake it, shake it, shake it, jump.
Sama ka, sama.
Shake it, jump. Look yourself into two. Alright, everybody jump, 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 jump. Shake it, shake it, jump. Shake it, jump, shake it, jump, shake it, shake it, jump. Look yourself into six. Let me see who did out. Who did out? Ayan si Kuya. Ano ba po? Nakakaway. Thank you so
Out na kayo,
much.
out.
Alright, so back yung keepers.
Si ano, out din. Si isa pa. Out na rin si Prince. Out na si Prince.
Look yourself into three. Siyempre, ako lang kayo. Okay, let's go back to one. Jump, jump, shake it, jump, shake it, jump, shake it, jump. Look yourself into five. Thank you so much. Everybody jump, 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 jump. Shake it, jump, shake it, jump, shake it, jump, shake it, jump, shake it, shake it, jump. Look yourself into one. Oops, one down. Everybody jump, 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 jump. Shake it, jump, shake it, jump, shake it, jump. Look yourself into one. Oops. Alright, everybody jump, 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 jump. Shake it, jump, shake it, jump, shake it, jump. Look yourself into three. Alright, sa kanila Hasan. Ayan, dito po. Ilan ba yung sabi kong winners kanina? Dalawa, sino yung nanalo? Tatay dalawa.
Dalawa.
Yung tatay dalawa.
Dalawa.
Kaya ba kami si Hasan? Ano pa si Kuya?
Nalala mo na kagad, ah.
Sabi ng balis na yan mamaya, okay? So before we start, meron tayong habang question. Do you know how to play basketball? Pagkasa kamay, kayo po ang pag-asa ng bayan mamaya, okay? Sa next time, sinabi ko kung hindi player number one, kayo po na nasa unahan, lalapit po guys dapat ng chair. Ay, lapit po, player number one. Then pag sinabi ko kung nag-dribble, iampas niyo po yung balon sa chair, then hawakan niyo po sa bulto. Okay? Nag-dribble, dribble, 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 dribble. Kaya po sa basketball na exhibition, so papaikutin niyo po sa hips like this. Then pass to player number two. Ibibigay po yung balon sa player number two. Then number forward po. Okay, now dribble, 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 dribble. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Pass to player number three. Now may number three po yung exciting part. Okay, number three forward na dribble, 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 dribble. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Ito po yung exciting part. Haharap tayo sa kanila, harap po. Sige po, harap po tayo sa kanila. At pag sinabi po na, spaghetti, bababa. So kailangan po ginagawa natin siya. Pag hindi ko po ginawa, sasayaw pa yung mamaya kasama yung special guest. Okay? Pass to player number four. Okay, number four po forward. Alright, now dribble. Dribble, 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 dribble. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Pumarap ulit sa teammate at sinabi ko naman kung na 8. Ayan, so pasok yung number 5, our last players. Okay, number 5 po forward. Dribble, 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 dribble. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. For the last time, pumarap naman kay Hasan. Ayan, nandito po siya sa harapan. At sinabi ko na shake. Ayan, so ganyan po magaling ang gagawin natin. Happy birthday, Hasan!
Happy birthday, Hasan!
Alright, so this enemy player number 2. Exhibition. Pumarap kay Hasan at sinabi kong spaghetti. Pababa ng pababa. Kasi number 1. Number 1. Dribble. Exhibition. Pumarap sa katingin at sinabi kong spaghetti. Pababa ng pababa. Kasi pumarap sa katingin at sinabi kong 8.
Harap.
Pumarap kay Hasan at sinabi kong spaghetti. Pababa ng pababa. Kasi number 5. Pumarap sa katingin at sinabi kong spaghetti. Pababa ng pababa. Kasi number 2. Excited at sample pa lang po yan. So just ano, dito po muna tayo ni Hasan. Ayan, so dalawa po kayo ni Mami. Shark, final answer? Yes. What is the sound of shark? Ayan, parang patinta po yung mga mga. Bakit Mami, hindi ba tayo, no? Final answer? Yes, so what is the sound of cat? At flavor lang po yung pusa. Ayan, so sabi ko nga po kanina, kailangan po ng sample. So tayo, 7th birthday po kayo ni Hasan. Ang gagawin niyo po, kakatahan niyo si Hasan ng happy birthday. So gamit yung mga animal sounds na pinili natin. Okay? So this time, course, sila po sa lahat na mag-video. Huwag niyo po ilalabas sa social media, baka ma-discover po sila dalawa ng The Voice Philippines. Okay, so this time para po natin is Angeline Quinto. Ready, mommy, 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, and of course, hindi po magpapakalo si Miss Regine Velasquez. Ready, mom, 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, thank you so much para sinasabi ni Mami mag-i-ata na sa mag-go to party. Ayan, so, thank you so much. And thank you, Brian. So, this time for Brian is Mimi. Thank you so much. Alright, so very nice, Mimi. Hand record. Pretty. Mimi, that was Ronald said Mimi. Mimi, 1,000. That's going to be a good, right? More. Three. I need more. I need more. Okay, so there's ako may nakasan ng mga bigay. Okay lang po ba na ibigay na po natin kay Hasan? Bakit nakakabang sa akin ito po ba mga kayo? Ay, so wala po natin sila dalawa, of course. Okay, so very nice and last. Bring me. Hand record, ready, bring me. So Ronald said, bring me. A piece of lighter. Go. Again, lighter. 5, 4, 3, 2. Ay, dahil meron na tayong minor kami pa sa likod natin. Thank you so much. Let's sing. Bring some for Hasan. Alright, so this time po yung kasama sa isang palakpakan kasi na. Okay. Alright, so this time we're going to po celebrating from because of the McDonald's every birthday celebration, of course, hindi pwede mawala ang wish and message na magagaling kay Mommy. Ayan, so this time, Mommy, any wish or message po for Hasan? Mommy, wish birthday po sa Aaron. So, ayan, what's your wish po?
Wish ko lang sa kanya sana lagi siyang healthy at sana English. I wish that Hasan will always be healthy. No mistake or anything.
Alright, how about si Grandma po? Si Lola po? Pag-live, on the spot po. Joke lang. Ayun, Lola, any wish for or message for Hasan? Dahil mo tissue.
English din. Happy birthday, Hasan. Are you happy? Yes. Are you sure? Very, very happy. My wish for you grow a good boy, genius, and loving. Do you love me? Para sabi kita niyo na, do you love me?
Alright, so thank you so much for yung wish mo ni Mommy at saka po ni Lola, abangan niyo po sa Facebook, MMK po talaga siya. So this time, hindi ako McDonald's because I'm pretty sure of course, the campaign going of course to have a successful life, right? So once again, let's shout, Happy birthday, Hasan! Happy birthday, Hasan! So this time, Hasan, make your wish and blow your candle. Alright, so let's give him a round of applause. So this time, Mommy, let's have a family picture po. So, bago na po tayo mo
nagbibideo na.
Thank you so much. Hasan.
How about me?
Thank you so much for coming. Wait. Again. Thank you so much for coming.
Okay, come on, mommy.
Thank you so much po sa pagpunta kayo malayo. Thank you.
Again, I'm your Rudy Quantos here, right? Together with my partner, Kiadino, same thing, so everybody, especially for the whole family of Hasan Ali for drastic and choosing McDonald's here to celebrate his 7th birthday. Ayan, sana mommy magkita-kita po tayo next year hanggang sa 21st birthday po ni Hasan. Dito po siya ng 21 Blue Pills. And of course, always remember us McDonald's after the games running VIP. Ingat!
Dalawa. Kaya ano sa pagkabahay pagpadalaki.
Slide siya palabas.
Johnny,
Wala.
over here and then pick up.
Hindi, meron ako nakita dati.
There.
Slide dati. Meron.
Wala nga yun dito.
Ayan na. Yung vlog sa mata dito.
Open the gift. Ayan na.